Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for personalized home decor business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add contents and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here. Build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, now as you see, you can enter your business type or your website type. Okay, so now you can select your business type. I'm gonna choose this one, online home decor shop. And now you can add your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue to dashboard. Now as you see, you can design your site. So let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. For me, I'm gonna get started from here. Okay, so now you can enter your information, your name and your email, your address and your phone, and also you can add a social link. So let's continue. Okay, now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. So it's more important to make your site look attractive to attract customers to your website. Okay, now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now if you want to add pages to your site, these pages are tailored for you. You can customize them later, so you can add wherever you like here. So you can skip all this if you want and customize it later. So let's continue. Okay, now you're gonna have to wait a few seconds to customize and prepare in your home page design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So okay, as you see here, this is the editor page. You can add elements, you can add sections, you can add pages and menus, you can design your site. So first of all, if you want to add elements, you're gonna start from the text. So you have to customize the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs, the text mask. And also if you want to upload images or import images, you can explore images free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. Also here you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, and the image buttons. And here if you want to customize the decorative, the shape, the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add section, you can just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. You can select the type and the style. So your favorite one, your favorite style, your favorite design. Also, if you want to design your site, you can just click here and you can customize your color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So that's it. So let's start from the first section here is the quick edit. So as you see here, you can change if you want to customize your site name. Also here you can manage the horizontal menu. So let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, and if you want to change, for example, this text right here, just click on it, and you can just describe what you want in your text. You can select your type of the section. For example, this is about section. You have to insert information to include here, and after this, click like this, and it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter, regenerate another one if you don't like it. So that's it. Also, if you want to edit the text, for example, you can edit the text and the fonts. So you can change the paragraph style. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, this is the product section. So you have to create your products. So after this, you can manage your product section. Now you have to create your products. So to do that, you have to add a new product. Okay, you just click here like this, and choose physical product or digital file. Okay, now you can add your title of your product. You can add images and videos. Also, you can add the product information, the name and the description. You can customize the price and options, and also you can customize the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, you can just save this place and go back to the editor to complete design. So that's it. Okay, so this is the subscribe form, the subscribe section. So you can just change the subscribe, add new file, for example. Okay, so you can design, for example, you can add this stuff like here, like the phone, the email, the last name, the first name, the address, the position, the company, your birthday. You can customize whatever you like here. So you can change the subscribe form on whatever you like the style. So let's move on to the next section, about section. So as you see here, like the same thing as normal, you can just change the text, just describe what you want in your text. For example, this is about section. You can just select the type of the section. You can make it shorter or regenerate another one. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So the same thing as normal, you can change the text, the colors in the background. For example, if you want to change the colors, just click here and you can change the colors as you like. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the get a code section. Okay, so you can change and customize this section right here. Okay, so this is the last section right here, the footer section. You can customize this text right here, your email and the company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. And also you can save this editor page if you want, if you don't want to publish it yet. So that's it. If you want to publish it, you can just click here and you can publish it. So that's it. So now you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.